So guess what? I invested $15,000 into an application as an angel investor, and this app has gone on to win the Google Play Store App of the Year. This thrilling journey has had so many ups and downs, and I'm going to talk about all the good, the bad, and the ugly, and primarily the three main key takeaways I learned from investing in an application. Number one is you're investing in the founder, not the business. So whether it's a founder, a co-founder, or a team, you need to understand and know if they have the vision and drive to keep building this business over a 5 to 10 year period. Because during this 5 to 10 years, if they don't have the vision, if they don't have the motivation to keep building this, then things are going to fail. A lot of times, these startups don't make any money or any big profit in the early days, so they need to stay motivated just by the idea and outcome of building something big that's going to impact